guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to create this cut crease look with a pop of red lips, and this is my last video for the Durga Puja series, and this is my Dasomi night look. I know it's a little bit dramatic, but I have created more subtle and softer looks for the past few days, so I thought of doing a dramatic look because you guys know I love dramatic eyes. So anyways, if you want to see how I create this beautiful glamorous look, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting up with my base makeup first. For primer I'm using the PAC Zero Pore Separation Primer. For foundation today I am using this L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation and I'm in the shade 108. For my highlighting concealer, I'm using my Kryolan Supra Color base in the shade FS22. To bake my under eyes and to set my face, I'm using this Maybelline Loose Powder. I did my brows off camera, now I'm just dusting off the baking powder. To contour my face, I'm taking this shade from the NYX Highlight and Contour palette. And I'm using my PAC 261 brush. Now I'm just baking under the contour with the same loose powder by Maybelline. For my blush, I'm using the Shivana blusher in the shade number 12. And to apply that, I'm using my PAC 306 stippling brush. Now I'm just dusting off and blending the bake on my face. Setting my face with the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. And for highlighter, I will be using this Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. And to apply my highlighter, I'm using this Sigma Strobing Fan Brush in number F42. For my eye makeup today, I will be using this Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. First, I'm priming my eyelids with the same Kryolan Supra Color base. I'm not setting it with the powder. First, I'm taking this Vibrant and Evolve shade on my PAC 126 brush and I'm applying that on my crease. Then I'm taking the shade Vivid on the same brush and I'm applying that over my previous shade and blending it softly. Now I'm blending my crease with the clean brush. This is Pro Arte PE23. Now I'm taking this shade, this is Expression, on the same 126 brush by PAC and I'm applying that on my crease. Again going back with the Pro Arte brush, I'm just blending out my crease. Now I'm going to cut my crease with the same Kryolan concealer. Now taking the shade Chromatic on a shader brush and I'm applying that over the concealer I applied. Now I'm taking this Nika K Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow in the number 15 and I'm applying that on my crease as my crease eyeliner with the eyeliner brush. Take your time and be very precise with it. Now taking the shade So Glam on a shader brush and I'm applying that on the center of my eyelid. and applying the same liquid eyeshadow on the center of my eyelids with the shader brush. Now applying a wing eyeliner, I'm using my sugar eyeliner for this. Now applying the shade Vibrant, Evolve and Vivid on my lower lash line and smoking it out. Applying Faces Longwear pencil on my waterline, as well as I'm also tightlining my eyes with that. Now I'm applying some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. Highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone with the same highlighter by Maybelline. And lastly, for my lipstick, I applied Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade Call Me Scarlet. And for my falsies, I went with Melody Lashes by Kingdom of Lashes. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yes, I'm not wearing any earring on this ear because it's burning like hell. Here it is. I couldn't wear it. It's like, it's paining like hell, you guys. I'm so sorry for that. Anyway guys, that's it for my Durga Puja series, and if you guys liked it, then please subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you liked it or not. And I hope to see you again on my next video, I think next week. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.